Today on Wagtail Wednesday was crack-a-lacking. It's morning time. I'm on my way to work. In case you wanted to know why it was dark. Am I moonlighting or what? Why are you making a video in the middle of the night? No, I'm not moonlighting. And no, I wasn't feeling lonely. And no, it wasn't that I couldn't sleep. It's that I'm getting up, get ready to get it in. But how can you give yourself a raise on the accounts that you already have? And also, I want to talk about how can you get free rubbers for the life of your business? How can you get free rubbers for the life of your business? No one's going to talk about this little secret. Well, it's not really a big secret, but check this out. I'm going to shed a little light on the subject as to how you can raise your price and nobody will never say anything about it and will respect that honestly, especially with restaurants, because their vendors that they deal with, when they distribute food prices go up. They have no control over it. They're just distributing food. So if their prices go up, the food distributors' prices go up, which charges that restaurant more money. So now they have to raise their prices on their menus. You see where this is going? So on and so forth. All right, so when you raise your price, let's say it's just $3 or $4. No one's going to get upset about $3 or $4. You can even go as high as $5 without somebody, starting to say, hey, man, if they can't afford $5, that's a business that's soon to be on its way out, okay? If they already have a service and if they can't afford a $5 increase, that's a business that may be on the verge of failing, all right? So, again, give yourself a pat on the back and a raise for getting smart and working on your business instead of in your business. All right? And give yourself a raise. Charge $5 and say there will be a raise increase due to cost of increase in products used to complete your job. All right? They don't have to know the particulars. But check this out. What is really rubber? What is really rubber, okay? What is it made from? Just follow me here for a minute. What is rubber made from, right? What are tires made from? What is gas made from? It's all tied into oil, right? Since we had that bombing, you could just break it down for the ones that look at you like you crazy. And you can tell them all of what I'm telling you, just so they can understand if they don't understand, But there's going to be a price increase in gas. The oil, they already bombed quite a few gallons of oil, quite a bit. So the cost of your rubbers is oil based when they produce it in some kind of way. I don't know, they figured that out, but needless to say, the cost of your rubbers, you can get paid to get rubbers. All right? You will never have to buy another rubber in your entire life. I tell you how you do this. You remember that $5 raise I just told you to raise on your accounts due to price increases in supplies? Every food distributor does it, and many other people do it. So you can literally, every job that you go on, you don't have to feel so bad about stretching your rubbers, cutting the ends off. If you follow what I'm telling you, you can still do that and still maximize much more, obviously, but you can have a fresh rubber for every single job and every time you do the job without even having to buy it. You just already have it. All right? What you do is that $5 that you would have for that rubber, every time you do that job, is $5 increase. You feel me? $5 increase. If you do a job twice a month and you raise your price $5 on every cleaning, that's $10. That's 2 rubbers that you could use to do that job and just throw it away. Because every time you go on that job, you got free rubbers. You understand where this is going? Don't pay for your rubbers. Let your customers pay for that rubber. All right? This is working smart, not hard. This ain't rocket science, okay? Come on, ladies, gentlemen, come on. Get on my level. Get on my level. You feel me? All right, this is Masters at Wagtail, and I'll see you in the next one.